KB5 gets a bit more of a tear down. Had another day pulling out the windscreen. Some work to do up top there on the cab. Trying to get the cab ready for lifting it off so we can get the engine out, get that rebuilt, get the repairs done to the metalwork on the cab. All front's gone now. Looks nice and easy to get the engine out from that point, but it isn't. You've got to get the cab off by the looks of it, because there's a cross member just behind here. It's trapping the gearbox between the cab and the frame, and you can't get to the bell housing bolts in the back of the engine to separate the engine from the gearbox, so the cab's coming off, which it needs to anyway for the repairs. So bonnet off, cab floor, windscreen complete with bullet holes, radiator, bits and pieces. Yeah, it's coming apart.